create a load balancer for your EC2, and you can use a certificate for the SSL traffic. So let's get started. So first we will be creating a load balancer. Just go to EC2 and here we can see here is the load balancer. Just click on it, create load balancer. We'll be creating a application load balancer. Base load load balancer. It should be internal. Select the type of IP address that IPv4. Then you need to select the VPC. Select the VPC for your targets. The selected VPC cannot be changed after the load balancer is created. To confirm, okay. It is C99. Okay, this one. Select at least 2 availability zone and 1 subnet per zone. The load balancer routes traffic to targets in these availability zones only. For the selection, subnets cannot be removed but can be added. Okay. So our EC2 instance is in 2A. And I select the 2B. Nice. So now I'll be creating one security group. This one, inbound rule is TCP 80 from 10 to 0016. One more should be there. 443 should be from 10 to 16. So our inbound rules are set. Outbound rules, okay, let it be, and then create security group. Now we will use this security group. Okay, here it is. Listener is a process that checks for connection requests using the protocol and port you configure. Traffic received by the listener is then routed per your you can specify for listener after the load balancer is created. So it will be listening on 80 port. Okay. Create a target group. Choose a target type instance. Metabase target group. Okay. We need to select the targets. This one is our target. Ports for routing traffic to the selected instances. Let's say T. Okay. Click create target group. After this, we have a metabase target with the port 80 opened. Okay. And as you can see, I'm having one EC2 instance, but it is the health status is draining. It was added, but I have drained it for the demo purpose. So I'll show you how to register the new targets. So click on register and then select the instance, and port for the selected instance would be 3000 because my service is running on 3000. And then you need to click here include as pending below and then register pending targets. So it will take time, and after passing all the health checks, the status would become okay. So that's okay. So now you can see it is healthy. Okay, let's use this target. Create an accelerator, get static IP address and bro. Not required. Summary metabase. Okay, that's it. We can create a load balancer. It might take a few minutes for you to be fully set up and ready to route traffic. Okay, so this is our load balancer. It's still in provisioning state. So let's wait for some time. So these are the details of our application load balancer. Listeners, we have added only one. There is the listener ID, and it is forwarding the request to this target group. You can see now that our application load balancer is in active state now. If you want to check whether our load balancer is working or not, just go to load balancers, database. This is our DNS name, just copy it. So as you can see, our services, our application is getting opened here. So yeah, that's all guys. This is how you can configure your application load balancer and open your application. Thanks a lot guys. Bye.